Welcome back, Crammers, to question 10. Tabisa is organizing a trip to the theater. The cost of a ticket of each adult is £11.75. The total cost of the tickets for the 12 adults plus the 5 children is £181. Deduce the ticket cost for one child. Okay, so here we can see that each adult pays 11.75. So the total cost of tickets is 12 adults. Each pay 11.75 plus we can see here that 5 children have to pay a certain value. We don't know what that value is, so we'll write that as x is equal to 181 pounds. So here we can actually simplify 12 times 11.75 gives us 141. 141 plus 5x is equal to 181. We can bring 141 to the other side, so we get 5x is equal to 181 minus 141. Therefore, 5x is equal to 40. Then we divide both sides by 5 to isolate x. Therefore, x is equal to 8 pounds. So each child pays 8 pounds per ticket. That's our final answer. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.